Well done,
Dreambears.
What a reaction from the audience. Just when I thought this show couldn't get any camper, we start with that. Fantastic, fellas.
How was it?
Incredible. Absolutely exhilarating. Made up with that.
Did you enjoy that?
We thought when we saw the costumes it couldn't get any better. But this is much, much better.
I want to do it again. Let me catch my breath first.
Yeah, OK, fair enough. Catch your breath and we'll cross over to the judges. Judges, your thoughts on the Dreambears? Simon, you
A buzz.
A buzz?
A buzz?
Well, because we've got a bit of a wardrobe problem going on the right.
Oops.
Yeah, right. You know what? I think after this week, I just surrender, you know? When we said we're looking for an act to perform in front of the Queen, there may have been a bit of a misunderstanding here. No?
I think you're totally
our thoughts on
wrong.
that?
No misunderstanding. Look, I mean, it was a bit clumsy, and the costumes didn't fit. You were getting very excited, and I just don't think this is what I want to really put in front of the royal family as the best in Britain this week. I mean, it was not a very convincing boo.
Piers, what did you think?
Well, I'm getting a bit worried about myself because I'm finding it a bit of a guilty pleasure. I just found it very funny. I mean, you make me laugh, and the point of this show is not just to find, you know, sublime talent, it's to find sublime entertainers. You three, for better or worse, are it. I loved it.
Thank you. Amanda, you were clapping all throughout that. I'm sure you loved it.
Of course.
I wonder how this one's going to go.
I just thought it was a lovely bit of credit crunch camp. And I don't see why we can't put 3 queens in front of the Queen. I don't see what's wrong with that.